I'm assuming you're wondering if this Adirondack chair is a piece of Amazon junk or if it's a real quality piece of furniture. While you're watching me assemble it, I'm going to tell you this was provided to me to do this review, but they gave me no instructions in terms of what I'm supposed to say. They just said, we think it is a quality product. You put it together, you tell them what you think. So I'm going to finish putting this together, and then I'm going to come back, let you know what the assembly process was like, what the materials are like, and let you know if I think this is a quality product or typical Amazon kind of stuff. It is a hot one out here today, I got to tell you. Wow, but a couple things you should know. Number one, this is so easy to assemble. Now this is definitely a simple form, right? There's no footrest. There is one cup holder here, which I will say is not very deep, so I would expect many spilt drinks, but there is a cup holder there. And it slides completely under, so it's not exposed. The seat doesn't recline, it doesn't change, it doesn't move. This is what it is. And I think that is really elegant and cool in a way because it was so simple to build. I mean, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think there were only 10 screws that went in it. Speaking of those screws, the hardware is really good quality hardware. I even like the inserts into the wood material. Obviously, this is a faux wood. This is not a real wood. You would be really happy with this. I mean, the color is excellent. I really like this brown. It's almost kind of like a muted, has a little gray to it. It doesn't look worn, but it doesn't look like that just brown, pure brown. It has like this natural feel to it. I think that's what I'm trying to say. The seat itself is unbelievably comfortable. I still continue to be surprised at how comfortable these Adirondack chairs are. It is a wood chair, right? Like there's no cushion, there's no anything, but I could sit here for hours and hours. Hopefully it will rain for days and days and refill my pond. This is a little crazy what it looks like behind me. I think you missed it a little while ago. There was actually an alligator over there on the other bank. And then when I started doing this, he's like, I'm out. I'll see you later. This is too much activity. But in the end, I really want to say this is definitely outstanding. If you're looking for a simple, good quality Adirondack chair, this would definitely be a pick. I would definitely absolutely say this is a really good pick. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.